Hello and welcome to our presentation on roles and responsibilities in cloud security within the framework of ISO 27017. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, organizations are increasingly leveraging cloud services for their operational needs. However, ensuring the security of data and systems in the cloud requires a clear understanding of roles and responsibilities, which ISO 27017 helps to define. Key principles of ISO 27017. Before delving into specific roles and responsibilities, let's highlight some key principles of ISO 27017. Clarifies the division of security responsibilities between the cloud service provider and the customer. Emphasizes the importance of identifying and mitigating security risks associated with cloud services. Ensures adherence to relevant laws and regulations governing data protection and privacy in the cloud. Cloud service provider responsibilities. Cloud service providers play a crucial role in ensuring the security of the cloud infrastructure and services they offer. Their responsibilities typically include securing the underlying cloud infrastructure, including data centers, networks, and hardware. Implementing and maintaining robust security controls at the infrastructure level, such as access controls, encryption, and intrusion detection or prevention systems. Offering transparency and assurance through compliance certifications and audits. Providing timely incident response and resolution in case of security incidents affecting the cloud environment. Cloud service customer responsibilities. While cloud service providers manage the security of the underlying infrastructure, cloud service customers have their own set of responsibilities. These may include safeguarding access credentials and authentication mechanisms to prevent unauthorized access to cloud resources. Implementing appropriate security measures for data and applications deployed in the cloud, such as encryption, data loss prevention, and regular vulnerability assessments. Monitoring cloud usage and configurations to detect and address any security misconfigurations or policy violations. Ensuring compliance with applicable security standards and regulations, including those outlined in ISO 27017. Shared responsibilities and collaboration. It's essential to recognize that security in the cloud is a shared responsibility between the cloud service provider and the customer. Effective collaboration and communication between both parties are critical for maintaining a secure cloud environment. Regular engagement, clear documentation of roles and responsibilities, and ongoing risk assessments are vital for successful security governance in the cloud. Best practices for implementing roles and responsibilities. To effectively implement roles and responsibilities in cloud security according to ISO 27017, consider the following best practices. Establish clear contractual agreements outlining the security responsibilities of both the cloud service provider and the customer. Conduct regular security assessments and audits to evaluate compliance with ISO 27017 requirements. Provide comprehensive training and awareness programs for staff involved in managing cloud resources to ensure they understand their security roles and responsibilities. Foster a culture of collaboration and continuous improvement where both parties work together to address emerging security challenges and mitigate risks effectively. In conclusion, roles and responsibilities play a pivotal role in ensuring the security of cloud services in alignment with ISO 27017. By clearly defining and adhering to these roles, both cloud service providers and customers can strengthen their security postures and mitigate potential risks effectively. Thank you for your attention. Now let's open the floor for any questions or discussions. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.